Today I'm going to teach you how to add or change school information on LinkedIn. This is essential for keeping your professional profile up to date and helping potential employers or connections understand your educational background. First things first, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage where you can begin making changes to your profile. On the left side of your screen, you'll see your profile section. Click directly on your profile to access the full view of your LinkedIn page. This is where all your professional information lives, including work experience, skills, and education. Now scroll down through your profile until you locate the education section. This is typically found below your work experience and contains all the schools and degrees you've previously listed. Once you've found it, look for the pencil icon next to the education heading and click on it. This icon is your gateway to editing and managing your educational information. Let's start by adding a new school. To do this, click the plus icon. This will open up a form where you can input all the relevant details about your education. Begin by typing in the school name in the designated field. LinkedIn will often suggest schools as you type, making it easier to select the correct institution. Next, fill in your degree type and your field of study. These details help LinkedIn users understand your educational background at a glance. After that, you have the option to input a start date and an end date. If you're currently studying, you can select an expected end date instead. The form also allows you to add additional information such as your grade, any activities and societies you participated in, and a description of your studies or achievements. These optional fields can really make your profile stand out and give more context to your educational journey. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save. Your new school has now been added to your profile. Now let's talk about changing an existing school entry. If you need to update or modify information for a school already listed on your profile, simply click the pencil icon next to the specific school entry you want to change. This will reopen the form with all your previously entered details. From here, you can edit any of the information as needed. Perhaps you want to update your graduation date, change your field of study, or even replace the school entirely. Make all your necessary changes carefully. Once you're satisfied with the updates, click Save to confirm your changes. Your profile will immediately reflect these modifications, ensuring your educational information stays accurate and current. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.